This one's more and she just went whoop, almost busted my ass. So large and in charge. Like, this is how the back is looking. Your girl's on fire. That's too much, right? Hey guys, welcome to a productive day in my life. As you can tell, I am makeup free because today is film day and I have a really cool idea. So I'm currently in my bathing suit because I'm going to film outside today. I'm gonna do a ASMR wash day and I'm gonna use my dad's outdoor shower. I actually had this idea for quite some time, but last week when I wanted to do it, the neighbor was doing some work on his yard, so I couldn't do it. But today is nice and quiet. So I feel like today is the day. So I already set up my makeup. This is going to be for a separate video that I'm gonna do. And I already picked out two different top options. I have to see which one I feel like using for the video. Let me just show you real quick. The first option is like this peachy pink top that I have from H&M. And then I also have this black sweetheart neckline from Zara, which is really nice. So this is for the second video that I'm going to do after the wash day. I'm gonna do like a battle of the styling combos. So I'm going to do Riesel's Curls multivitamin leave-in with the custard, and then I'm going to do the Mael leave-in with the custard as well. So if you guys are not following me on TikTok, I don't know what you're doing. You are slacking. I bring in the content, okay? And then of course, I'm going to break up my gel cast with this. So I'm really excited for that video. I'm low-key kind of nervous to do the video outside because I kind of want to do another video for TikTok shop. I have like the script in my head and I think it will be hilarious if I do it. I just need to stop being in my head and thinking that my neighbor is hearing me, because they probably are. But I shouldn't care, right? Because this is my life and this is how I make some extra coins, okay? And I need that bag. So yeah, let's get these videos started. Y'all, I almost busted my ass. So this is my little setup. We got the shower right here, my phone, I have my chair here with the stuff that I need, shampoo, my soap. I like to detangle my curls before shampooing, so I have this product right here, my hair clip, my brush, and then a plastic cap, because I am gonna do a mask, but I'm not gonna show this part because the video is mostly for the shampoo and the conditioner. So, or maybe I will use the mask, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, this is the setup. It is really hot, so it's gonna be really good for it. And this water this water does not play games because it is cold, okay? So wish me luck.
Ooh, it's something about, just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Ooh, it's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you.
Hey guys, so it has been some time later. I got to charge you and I did my makeup. I am about to film. You guys, really funny though. Remember when I was telling you, oh, I have like this script in my head that I wanted to do and film for TikTok shop? How I completely forgot about it. After I set everything up, I was just on go mode and I completely forgot about that video. But I am gonna do it next week. Like, I promised myself I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it and do the video because I actually think this is gonna be a really funny video. So yeah, anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys that I actually forgot about that portion of the video, but I'm still gonna do it, okay? And you guys, it got so dark outside. I think it's actually going to thunderstorm. So yeah, I'm about to get in the zone and knock this video out. Let's do it. We had the battle of the styling combos. We had the battle of the styling combos. And this is how the custards look. This one's more oh damn, I made a big mess. Hold on. As you guys can tell, this one is more milky white. This one's just like a darker beigey color. This one's definitely more thicker. And as you guys saw, the texture, it's a bit more runnier. The Riesel's custard definitely just glides in your hair. I mean, wow. Get it together or forget it forever. Yo, the way my back hurts right now. Random things always happen when you're in your 30s.
Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. And she walk like the boss, talk like the boss. Manicure and nails, just let the pedicure off. She's fly effortlessly. And she move like the boss, do what the boss do. She got me thinking.
Hey guys, so I just finished styling my hair. This is what she's looking like. She's real wet. Well, these two custards are no joke. Like, my hair feels so wet right now. Honestly, you guys, with the shorter hair cuts my time in half. Like, I was able to style my hair in like less than 20 minutes, which is so good. And so what I normally do is I take off my top. Whatever top I'm filming with, I like to take it off because it does get wet. She's actually not that bad. She's a little wet in the back, but yeah, I like to get comfy. I'm gonna change into another shirt. This shirt, by the way, makes my breasts look so large and in charge. Like, I'm gonna have to crop that video because the way they are sitting right now, and mind you, I don't even have a bra on, so I think that's what's making them look even larger. And then I'm gonna air dry my hair to try to get some length in because she be looking wild short. So I'm gonna air dry for a little bit. I'm gonna order my dinner because I'm starving. Like, all I have was oatmeal. What is your prediction on this hair? I think that, I don't know, I low-key feel like I'm gonna really like the Mayel side because it just feels heavier. So I just feel like the products are gonna give me a lot more hold. Maybe I should do another video on that actually, right? See how the products work throughout the week. Did I just come up with another video idea? Like, your girl's on fire. So anyways, girl, let me order my dinner and I'll see you guys when my hair is fully dry. Hey guys, I'm back. My hair is still wet. But you know, we're making progress. My dinner is here, so I want to show you guys what I'm gonna eat. This is some leftover rice that I have, so I'm gonna have it with some pechuga and some tostones, and I'm gonna pour myself a drink. This is the agua de Jamaica that I was telling you guys about. I have to show you guys how to make this. It's so good and so easy to make. So I'm gonna have this for dinner and I'm gonna watch The Ones Who Live. I actually freaking hate this show because we waited all these years for 6 episodes only for 4 of them to be good, and the last 2 were horrendous. But I'm still rewatching it because I just love Rick and Michonne. But yeah, you guys, let me know if you were also a Walking Dead fan. Hey guys, I'm back. Here are my final results. I just wrapped up filming and I really love my results. I think that we definitely have 2 different types of curls going on. This side is the Rizzo side. It's definitely much softer, so my hair is not gonna last in this humidity. And then on this side, which is the Mayel side, I definitely have a lot more hold and my curls are really defined, and I was still able to get a little bit of volume, even though this side was it was more tough for me to get a little more volume. Like, it was kind of tough for me to break some of the cast out. I still have a lot of the cast in, but it wasn't as easy as this side. This side just a little bit of oil and she just went whoop. I definitely love my results. The only thing is that I wish my bangs were together, but being that how I styled it and I have 2 different products on, I'll be able to have them together tomorrow, because when I put the bonnet on, I'm gonna make sure that I tie it together and that should be able to do the trick, you know. But for now, you know, we'll just rock the middle part, which is crazy, right? Because I only did middle parts for so long. But yeah, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. Can you even see? I hope you guys can pick it up a little bit. If not, go watch my TikTok. This is how the back looks. You can definitely tell there's a lot more frizz on this side than on this side. In order for me to relax, because it's 8 o'clock already, I'm gonna have to clean up this mess. So let's get into it. Alright, so I just finished cleaning up. The house looks nice and clean and it looks inviting to actually relax and enjoy my night. Don't mind the tripod, you already know we're still using her, we're still filming. So I'm going to hop in the shower and scrub my back to make sure I got all of that product off of my neck, and I'm gonna do my skincare. So I'll see you guys in a bit. we are back to do some skincare. You guys, that shower felt so good. I definitely needed that. So to take off my makeup, I use the Pharmacy Green Clean. You guys know that I love this. It literally just melts off all your makeup. And then I followed it up with the Tatcha rice wash. I don't know why I always forget the name of it. I've been buying this for years, but yeah, this is the combo I use to take off all of my makeup. Which, by the way, you guys, I love the way my makeup came out today. Like, I haven't been happy with my makeup lately, but today she was a hit. For toner, we're gonna be using the Medicube Collagen Toner, and I need all the collagen I can get. I just do a few drops on my hands, and then I like to rub it in my face, and then I do like tapping motions to get all of that collagen. And I always do my neck and my chest. Ladies, always bring your skincare down to your neck. The first sign of aging, your neck, girl, and your hands. Oh my god, which reminds me, I need those like gloves that you put on when you do your gel manicure, because I really need to like protect my hands, because ain't no way. Y'all not gonna catch me slipping out here. See the glow it just gives the skin? So nice. Next, I'm going in with the Innocence Free Hyaluronic Acid Serum. This is how she looks. I think you're supposed to do one pump, but I always do two. There's nothing like after a long day and it starts to rain outside and you got the AC on and it's nice and dark and you're about to throw on a movie that you're gonna have in the background while you scroll on your phone. I ain't the only one that does that. I know y'all be doing it too. Next, I'm going in with the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Eye Cream. I told you guys I switched my eye cream. I said that in another vlog. I love this one way more. And this is the texture. Boy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but she's pink. And I really like the texture on this. I normally take off my contacts before I do my skincare, but being that I'm doing it with you guys, I need to have my contacts in. If not, I'll be blind. I won't be able to tell if I'm focused or not. I just feel like this just goes more better with my skin than the other cream I was using. I have some redness here. That's from being in the sun. You guys, I'm burnt on my shoulder. Not my sunscreen betraying me. But anyways, next I'm going in with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. You guys know this is my jam. And she was on sale last week and I didn't buy one. I should have bought it. I really should have. 20%. She pricey. You guys, I put my mom onto this cream and now she's obsessed too. I'm telling you, if La Doña approves, because my mom is mad picky. You thought I was picky? That's where I get it from. That lady is beyond picky. They ain't no impressing her, especially when it comes to like cosmetics. But I put her onto that and to Supergoop. It's like the tinted sunscreen. She's obsessed, you guys. Boom. You guys see the glow, the dewiness? I'm honestly so happy with my combos. Like, I really nailed down my skincare. For body care, I did use the L'Occitane Rich Lotion. I'm just gonna put some on my hands now. You guys, I don't know who told me to buy this expensive ass cream, because when I tell you that this is like one of the best creams I've ever used in my life, like, you heard it first, okay? Like, get into the glow that my hands have. Like, are you kidding me? My whole body looks like that, okay? And when I get into my bed, if only there was someone next to me to appreciate it. But anyways, that's too much, right? Look at that. Like, you guys need to try this lotion. Like, it is so good. It's really, really nice on the skin. Like, what? It feels like butter. Like, I'm just gonna keep my headband on because I really don't want my hair in my face. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video and hanging out with me. You know, work edition. It doesn't really feel like work when you're having fun, although it is a lot of work because there's a lot of things that go on in like behind the scenes. And let me know down in the comments, what do you guys want to see from me next? And I know I haven't said this in a long time, but don't forget to glow. Bye.